My dear friends, welcome to the YouTube channel. Today we are going to deal with the topic tea. Tea is one of the most consumed non-alcoholic aromatic beverages. It is prepared from the leaf bud and the top leaves of a tropical evergreen bush called Camellia sinensis. It produces what is regarded as a healthy beverage containing approximately only half of the caffeine of coffee, and at the same time it aids muscle relaxation and stimulates the central nervous system. Origin of tea. Tea was discovered by accident over 5000 years when leaves from a tea bush accidentally dropped into some boiling water and delicately flavored the drink. Tea was originally drunk for its medicinal benefits, and it was not until the 1700s that it began to be consumed as the delicious beverage that we know today. Producing countries. Tea is grown in more than 25 countries around the world. The crop benefits from acidic soil and warm climate, and where there is at least 130 centimeter of rain a year. It is an annual crop, and its flavor, quality and character are affected by the location, altitude, type of soil and the climate. The main tea producing countries are India, which is the largest producer, China, Sri Lanka, East Africa, which include Kenya, Zimbabwe and Tanzania, and Indonesia. Blend. The word blend indicates that a named tea in the market is up for sale may be composed for a variety of tea to produce one marketable product acceptable to the average consumer's palate. For example, a standard tea may be a blend of Indian tea for strength, African tea for color, and Chinese tea for flavor and delicacy. Storage. Tea should be stored in the following manner: in a dry, cleaned and covered container, in a well ventilated area, away from excess moisture. Must not be kept near any strong smelling food, as tea absorbs odor very quickly. Making of tea. Tea is an infusion, and thus maximum flavor is required from the brew. Few rules to be followed are: ensure all equipment used are clean. Heat the teapot before putting in the dry tea so that the maximum heat can be obtained from the brew. Measure the dry tea and freshly drawn cold water exactly. Use freshly boiled water. Make sure that the water is boiling on entering the pot. Allow it to brew for 3 to 4 minutes to obtain maximum strength from the brew. Remove the tea leaves at the end of this period if making in multi-pot insulated urns. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.